Good morning students. In this session we should know about the new chapter index number. Index means indication or showing a direction. Index means indication or showing a direction about the future data based on the previous data. Index means indication or direction about the future data. Index number means it's a statistical device, so useful to measuring the relative changes in level of phenomena such as income of a business, profession, production of a business, quantity of a business, value of a business, price of a business or products. So price will be variations or related changes. Prices will be changes. So that changes indication. Sometime in a business, products price will be sometime increases, sometime decreases, sometime constant. So that indication is called as an index numbers. So take an example, BSE and NSE, Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. It indicates the shares prices. Sometime it will be increases, sometime it will be decreases, sometime it will be constant. So when it is increasing the price, we can indicate as a upward trend. We can give a conclude about that upward trend. Sometime prices will be decreases. We can call it as a downward trend. Sometime the prices will be constant. We can call it as a oscillatory trend. So when it is prices going to the upward, so upward trend. When it is going to the prices downward trend. So sometime prices will be constant. We can call it as an oscillatory trend. That direction, that indication is called as an index numbers. So I think you understand the meaning of index number. Once again I will explain the meaning. Index number is a statistical device measuring the relative changes in level of phenomena such as income, profession, production, sales, product prices. It will be relatively changes. That changes indication is called as an index numbers. It will be variation from one unit to the another unit, one product to the another product, one company to the another company. It will be variation. That variation indication is called as an index number. So next we should know about the types of index number. Types of index number. In index number we are classified into three groups. First one, price index number. Second one, quantity index number. Third one, value index number. First we should know about the price index number. Price index number measuring the relative changes of price articles. So it will be variation. It's showing the variations of prices. Year to year. It will be variation. So that variation it will be representation. So that is called as an price index number. So take an example of how to identifying the price, how to determining the price, how to find out in the price means in every organization first they will calculating the cost. Cost means total expenditure incurred for manufacturing of a product. Take an example of if I am manufacturing a mobile. So how much of cost is incurred, total expenditure incurred for manufacturing of a product. So the cost of manufacturing of a mobile is 8,000. 8,000. So what is the main intention of businessmen? We will expect profit. We will expect profit. So they will add some money. 2,000 they will add, that addition is called as a profit. So cost based profit is equal to selling price. Selling price. This is the way of calculation of price. So price includes cost plus profit. So that is called as an selling price. So based on the selling price, we can calculating the index numbers. It will be varies from one company to the another company. The prices will be variation. So that calculation is called as an price index numbers. Next concept is quantity index. So quantity index, here measuring the quantities or goods or production of a product in units. So it will be variation based on the situation. Based on the situation. Take an example of in summer season. So sometime summer season ice cream manufacturing automatically we should increase. Because of in summer season ice cream products sales also very high. So we should increase in the production of ice creams, the quantities we should increase. In automatically so ice cream will be increasing the summer season, automatically winter season ice cream sales will be decreases. So that is also one of the best example. Sometimes quantities manufacturing increases, sometimes decreases. That showing a direction, increases and decreases. That direction is called as an quantity index numbers. Next is value index. Value index means it is a relatively changes of money. It's relatively changes of money or amount. So it will be variations. It will be variation. How to identifying the value means, so if you are purchasing any product, so if I am purchasing one phone, so that phone price is 10,000. One phone price is 10,000. If I am increasing a quantity, I am purchasing 5 phones, automatically the value is 50,000. The value is deciding based on the price and quantities. So quantities increases, automatically the value also increases. In fact quantities is decreases. If I am purchasing 2 phones, the value also automatically decreases. That is 20,000. So value is based on the price and quantity. So how to indication of price, quantity and values? Let us know about that. So we can identify in the